Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. Now for this one, we're going to be talking about massage guns. Now let me start off by saying this. I usually don't review every single product that I get. I get a lot of stuff for my personal use, but every now and then I find something that I feel is so dope, I gotta share it with y'all. And this is one of those products that could change your life, and trust me when I tell you, it's changed my life. Now, here's the classic massage guns that you see. These are pretty dope, okay? Now, this one, the only problem with it is it has a lot of vibration, and after a while, it starts to hurt your wrist. Okay, now, there's a classic misconception that massage guns are for old people. That's not the truth, okay? If you're young, if you're an athlete, if you work at a job and you're standing up all day or you're sitting down all day, after a while, or you just lift weights, your muscles are gonna get sore. You're gonna want some relief. Now, quick story, 18 years ago, I had emergency surgery. They had to take an artery out of my leg and put it into my stomach. And I've been having residual leg pains for the last 18 years. Now, when Amaya was a little kid, I used to get her to stand on my leg. Now, the pain is under my calf. I would have her stand on my leg and balance on that area for her cheerleading practice, but I was actually getting a massage out of the deal. Now, that lasted until Amaya was about 12 years old. When kids start to turn teenagers, they tend to not want to touch their parents too much. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, I can barely get a kiss on the cheek, but yo, it is what it is. I had my memories. But when Amaya turned about 13 years old, I started buying massage guns. Now, I bought the big fancy one for $500. And I actually gave that one to Amaya. Now, she's a little kid, but she practices cheerleading every day. Her body starts to get sore, so she loves that massage gun, so I gave it to her. So instead of buying another one for $500, I said, let me try some of these cheaper ones on Amazon. So this is the first one that I had. Been rocking this one for a long time, but I found two that are even better. Now, let me show you the first one. This one right here, this is pretty dope, but this is not the star of the show. You're going to like this one right here. Let me pull it up on the website. This one I bought last year for $100. It's on sale right now for $50. All right, now this is from a company called Doace. Okay, this one has the two handles, and you can actually connect the electronical stimulation. Comes with all of the different heads for $50. This is pretty dope. Now the best thing about this one is the two handles. That takes off pressure from your wrist, so you can hold it like this, or you can just hold it like this. Now, you see, this is my favorite attachment, the fork one. Let me show you how this one looks real quick. See, this one has fancy lights on it. You can set timers. Look at this. Now, this is at level 5. Look how much you can go up to this one. Hold on, watch this. This is level 20. Look at this. Level 20. All right, let me turn this up. Now, imagine that. Turn it down a little bit. All right, now, this is the speed that I usually use, around level 10. Get some nice, strong vibrations on these. Hold it with two hands. You can really get up in those creases. I love this one. Okay, this one is $50 on sale right now. This is a win. But let me show you the massage gun that changed my life. Okay, let me pull that one up real quick. This one right here. This is a game changer. You're going to love this one. Now, this one is from a company called Merach. This is a mini massage gun. Now, this one is $71. It comes in black, gray, or red. Now, this is a mini massage gun, so it's definitely a lot smaller. It comes with the same different heads. Okay, so you got the big one, you got the fork. Let's go through some of the features real quick. Okay, lightweight, portable, handheld. Okay, muscle activation, fascia relaxation, and deep massage. Okay, now this one is a 2,500 milliamp battery, 15-day normal use, fast charge with USB Type-C. Takes 2 hours to fully charge. Now that's an important part, USB Type-C charging. These take the proprietary chargers, so you're gonna have to pay attention to where you leave your charge at. One of the things about this one that's dope, this one also takes USB Type-C charging. Okay, for a big boy. Let's see, anything else we missed on this one? No, that's pretty much it. All right, they got a little product video. I'll show it to y'all right now. All right, $71 on this one. This one right here literally changed my life. Okay, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Now, a lot of y'all be clowning my unboxing knives. So I got the big boy out today. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Okay, that's the Medford knife, by the way. All right, shout out to MedfordKnives.com for stepping my knife game up. Okay, now this one, like I said, is from Merach. All right, Merach massage gun. Okay, mini massage gun. Now check this out. Inside, you get a little travel carrying case. Okay, let's see. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Let's see what this is. Okay, different attachments. Okay, poison for the trolls. Got to file that. And here's the gun. Now, the best thing I like about this one is the build quality. First of all, look how small this is. Fits right in the palm of your hands. I'm telling you. Now, I usually travel from New York to Vegas. That's my usual flight. That flight is around 5.5 to 6 hours, depending on the circumstances. And like I said, after I had that surgery, when I sit down for long periods of time, my leg starts to get sore. As soon as I get off the flight, I immediately got to get a leg press. Now, shout out to my girl. She usually uses her elbows or her knuckles and gives me a nice leg press. But when she's not around, I've been using the massage guns. They've been saving my lives. They've been saving my life. But look at the size of this one. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, shoes knows quality. Late, but still great. White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
white shoes. Calm down. Okay, I'm trying to aim for the shoe. Like I was saying, okay? Look at the size of this one right here. Now, this is one that you can put in your pocket when you get to work. If you're on your computer all day long, give yourself a quick neck massage. Give yourself a quick arm massage, leg massage. Now, I can actually have this one in my pocket when I'm on my flight. I can give myself a massage. This is epic right here, okay? Now, it comes with this head right here. This is the ball head. You know, drop it right on just like that. Let's see if this has any power on it. Okay, look at that. Let's see, look, shoes like this right here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, cats love these too. All right, shoes know what time it is. Now look, shoes gonna want a full rub down. Now that's level 1. That's level 2. And that's level 3. Just so you know how strong that is, all right? This is level 3. The quality of this, all right? The build quality is so epic. Now, this is my favorite attachment. Y'all know I got 2 of these. I'm not just speaking like out of randomly. I've been using this one, okay? This is my favorite attachment right here. I'll show you how I use it on my leg at the end of this video, but this is so clutch. All right, now it comes with USB Type-C charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. You got this attachment right here. This is good for the back of the neck. All right, let's slap this one on. No instructions necessary. You hold it on to power, and then you got 3 switches. 1, 2, you got 3 switches. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. Look at that. You see it? Look at that. Oh my God. Look, now you play video games, fellas. I know a lot of people think that massage guns are for old people. That's what I thought too. But after you play PlayStation for 6 hours straight, massage the digits real quick. Fellas, ladies, Father's Day, Mother's Day coming up right around the corner. This is the perfect Father's Day gift. $50, Father's Day, Mother's Day gifts. This is it right here. All right, this is it. And that's why I felt like I need to show y'all this one. Let me show you the next attachment too. Now, this is the attachment right here. If you got acute pain and you really got to dig up in that crease, you throw in a little bullet. Throw in a little bullet head. Okay, now say I got pain right here. I can get that crease. All right, get pain in the wrist. You know, get it in there nice and deep, like a gentleman. Look at that. You could just feel the blood circulating. I'm telling you. Now look, this is another one of those products that I would state my YouTube reputation on, that you're going to love it. I would state my reputation. I'll state my name. You're going to love this one right here. Now, I've been using this one. I set it up like this. This is how I do it on my leg. Now I'll show you a little video at the end of this. But I have this line on my leg that's pretty numb from the surgery. So I put the 2 forks in just like that, and I go up and down. Now, when I'm sitting on a flight, I could be doing that on my leg while I'm flying, because usually I got to get up after about 3 or 4 hours and walk up and down the aisles to keep my blood circulating. I could be sitting in my seat very discreetly, relieving my pain. All right, now let's try it out on shoes again. All right, shoes. I know why you came back. You see this? Even animals, man. Animals love this kind of stuff, man. All right, shoes got pain under the neck because she be doing a lot of daytime trolling. So she be doing a lot of daytime trolling. So I gotta hit it to the neck regions real quick. All right, shoes gonna get hooked on this. That's really why I got two, one for me and one for shoes. But look at this. Now watch this. All you have to do to charge it up, USB Type-C cable. So you grab a cable, plug it in, and it starts charging up. This is so hot. Okay, you can take your portable battery charger, put it right in your pocket, and rock out. On a scale of 1 to 10, okay, I'm giving the Merach mini massage gun a major go. This is 100% White Shoes approved. And this is the definition of simple and effective tech. All right, so simple, you don't got to read the book. All you got to do is take it out of the box, turn it on. Again, Father's Days, this is going to be the best Father's Day gift ever. Okay, ever. And Mother's Day. All right, now all your parents, everybody getting old, everybody got pain. All right, fellas, you know, if you like me, you getting older too. It's about that time. Invest in a massage gun. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Okay, you get home from the gym, give yourself a little rub down. All right, you got to start taking care of your body. Okay, you at work, and there's a little, you're going to hold on the phone, give yourself a little neck massage. I'm telling you, this is going to change your life. Okay, this really changed my life. I'm about to buy 4 of them just to have them on deck. I am never flying again without carrying one of these. Now, another quick story. This is one of the reasons why I stopped carrying this one. I had this in my carry-on bag, and I got a big issue with security. You know, they was like, "Yo, bro, you coming up here? That look like you got an Uzi in your bag." This one right here, this look like some old, you know, this look like some torture device. Something like this, nobody's gonna ask any questions. Okay? Even when you're using this on the train or on the bus, you're not gonna look weird. You're not gonna have a big giant massage gun in your hand. You're gonna be having a good time. Anyway, so here's the company again. This is the Merach massage gun. Okay? Look at the build quality on this. All aluminum, nothing cheap at all. Simple to use, simple and effective. There's level 3. Look at that. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Now, level 3 is too much for shoes. Shoes like level 1. So I'm going to wrap this video up and give shoes a nice massage. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. All right, so this is exactly what I was talking about. Now, you see, I had emergency surgery 18 years ago. So they had to cut right here, and they had to take an artery out. So after long periods of time, I start to feel pain right here. It's always so sore and numb. So what I do is take a little massage gun like this, and I hit it right there, just like that. Let's get a little bit more. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. So now I can do this anywhere, anytime, any place. Let's keep it moving. All right, so one more thing. Let me show you how it's going to look like when you're traveling with this charger in your bag. Now, I took everything out of the box, put it in a little pouch. This is all you need to travel, okay? So we got the charging cable. We got all the attachments. We got the massage gun and a little charging brick. Just like that. Now, on a side note, hit me up in the comments and let me know if y'all like these little quick non-tech related product videos, because I always come up with a lot of cool stuff, but I'll be trying to keep the channel basically about tech. But if y'all like this kind of stuff too, and y'all want to see a quick video like this, maybe once a week, hit me up in the comments and let me know. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spark one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.